What's up, Umbares? We're out in Sarasota. Check it out. It is May 3rd. Very nice and clear. See that? May 3rd. We started this job April 18th. That's 15 consecutive days. Take out the weekends. It's 11 business days. Guys, look what we have. This pool's pretty much complete. Okay. The only thing left to do is the pool interior, fill it up with water, and obviously the pavers, and the job is done. All the plumbing's done, electrical's done, pool equipment has been set, everything is already done. The footers are already put in place, everything's ready to go, guys, okay? Not only did we do this in 11 days, we also did the irrigation, and if you guys swing around, go ahead, look behind you, we also painted this house, okay? So this homeowner chose to live like a king and queen and have all these extra little accoutrements done, okay? Now, you could go ahead and you can hire people on your own, and you can save a little bit of money and hire somebody to paint your house, do your irrigation. Actually, some of you may have to hire your own irrigation company to do your HOA, okay? And also your landscaping. Could you save a little bit? Sure. But with Umbare, what you're gonna get with us, okay, we're gonna get it all done in the same time frame. You're gonna have a builder to have your best interest in mind. We have all our subcontractors vetted, insured, okay? Everybody goes through us. And on top of that, we're gonna handle all the management, all the time scheduling, okay? And all the communications. When you work with Umbare, behind the scenes, guys, it's like a machine going 100 miles an hour, okay? We're in an alternate reality, okay? To get a job done this quick, the communication has to be spot on, okay? And where we're going as fast as we're going, you're not gonna be able to keep up with us and try to hire your little guys to come in there and do things in between, okay? It's just not gonna happen. So if you go with us, we'll be able to give you the best value, okay? Because we're gonna vet everybody, we have your best interest, we're gonna manage everything, we're gonna do all the coordination. All you literally gotta do is live like a king or queen, pay the price, very simple, and we handle it for you, okay? Now keep in mind, this was 11 days. And look what we have here, okay? This pool's pretty much done. A couple more days next week, all right, Monday, Tuesday, and this job is already done. And we handled all the little extra accoutrements for these people. So all you need to do, guys, you know already, go to the website, go to umbarepools.com, pick your pool, pick your options, and let's go!